Dear activists for the protection of privacy, dear people from all over the world, we are anonymous.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and share with everyone to get my videos known. I will speak for you because I'm your voice. Use me and you can spread the truth through me. I say thank you. I am truth. I speak truth. I share truth. I will never stop. The world we sleep in is like a rabbit hole. There's so many directions to follow. No one knows how far they go. I will try and upload at least 2 videos every week about new topics. I will always come back to a topic with more information. I will talk about what you want to know. I will speak mostly about the following: the government, Illuminati and the New World Order, murders, false flag, enlightenment, selling your soul, World War III, dictators, presidents, secrets politics, the royal family, and also anything you want me to offer more information on. You are not slave, you are human. Your government has failed you. You do not have to pay their price. Rebel, stand up, and rise from your seats. Make them suffer. You can say no to them. They want you to believe you have a choice. You don't. They make the end and last choice. Don't be ruled. Lead yourself. I say thank you. I am truth. I speak truth. I share truth. I will never stop. We are Legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.